Hey everyone, it's Weather for Weather Geeks time on this Tuesday. Before we get to the current weather, if you're a real weather weenie, a weather geek, if you will, you may have heard that some changes are going into effect this week as far as the products the Storm Prediction Center issues. You may be familiar with their usual slight, moderate, and high risks of severe weather. Well, they're kind of changing this to, their goal is anyway, to make these categories a little less confusing. They may be achieving the opposite of that goal, but what they're doing here is they're adding a category called enhanced that is above slight but below moderate. Now, you ask 10 people on the street, is enhanced worse than slight, worse than moderate, better than moderate? You probably get 10 different answers, would be my guess. But this is what they're doing this week, and so especially next spring as we roll into a new severe weather season, you're going to see some changes as far as the wording that comes out of these official outlooks. And you see these official outlooks displayed on TV sometimes, but mostly these outlooks are not necessarily for public dissemination, only for professional meteorologists and real weather enthusiasts. That's the main audience for these outlooks. So if you're, again, one of those real weather geeks, this is of interest to you and certainly something that'll be relevant for us next spring, next summer. All right, let's talk about today's weather. It is chilly, it is damp out. It's not a very nice day as promised. Only in the upper 40s here in the 2 o'clock hour. We've got some light rain still around, although the steadiest rain as I record this is pushing south and east of Youngstown. Rest of the day today can feature a shower or a little drizzle. That'll about do it. I think we've seen the steadiest of the rain now. It is come and gone. But we are certainly under the influence of this area of low pressure, which is just going to kind of hang out, kind of park, if you will, across parts of the mid-Atlantic states, becoming a nor'easter, actually, for the Northeast. And, you think about nor'easter, a lot of people immediately, what comes to mind is, oh, big snowstorm. A nor'easter can be a rainstorm as well. The nor'easter terminology more refers to the track of the storm, not the type of precipitation that it is bringing. But this will be a rainy, windy mess for parts of New England and the Mid-Atlantic. While our weather will start to improve, we're far enough west that gradually, and I mean gradually, it's going to take probably until Wednesday evening before the clouds clear out, but gradually these clouds will push east, meaning better weather is coming for us as we head towards the end of the week and into the weekend. So let's talk about that. We'll talk about the near term, of course, first. Real quick look at the HRRR, the High Resolution Rapid Refresh, HRRR, High Resolution Model, simulated radar product here. We'll skip ahead a few hours. Let's go ahead to 4 o'clock. Generally, what the radar should look like, again, the steady rain south and east. Maybe there's a shower or two around. Skipping ahead then to 6 o'clock, probably about the same idea. Maybe there's a shower. The lake will enhance some of this, so these showers will be more frequent up towards Cleveland and Ashtabula, and then past sunset this evening. Again, a few showers around, and these will probably be around up until at least 10 or 11. Here's 1 in the morning. Everything's kind of generally winding down at that point. And then I'll skip ahead to tomorrow morning at daybreak. And again, a cloudy day for the most part tomorrow, but notice the precipitation is now confined mostly to the East Coast and to the central Appalachians tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, everything's well off to our east at that point. So our weather is going to slowly improve. By Thursday, here's Thursday morning. Look at that big nor'easter. Big, ugly looking day for Boston, Providence, Albany, Portland, Maine. But by Thursday, we should be breaking into some sun here in eastern Ohio and into western PA. On Friday, there's going to be this weak little system that, mostly an upper-level system that comes across. And as I back this up to the morning, there might be a shower with that. Parts of Indiana, Michigan, but I guess I doubt this far south and east. But Friday probably will be cloudier for a time than Thursday and the weekend. So Friday, kind of a semi-cloudy day sandwiched between sunny days. The weekend's looking great. Here's Saturday. Nothing going on. Sunday, beautiful day as high pressure builds in. And it's going to start to warm up, especially by Monday. Notice as high pressure shifts southeast of us on Monday, southwest wind develops and temperatures really off to the races that day. Could hit 70. Here's the 16-day temperature anomaly outlook. And yeah, we could be as much as 10 above average here Sunday and especially Monday and perhaps even Tuesday as well. And then after that, time for Halloween and beyond, heading into November. Generally an at or below average pattern looks to set up as we go into the very last couple of days of October and into November. But in the meantime, the end of this week and this weekend and even early next week, all looking pretty good. Well, thank you for watching the Tuesday Weather for Weather Geeks. I'll see you tonight on 21 News at 6 and 11. And more Weather Geeks posted online on my weather blog and on WFMJ.com/weather Wednesday afternoon, generally about 3 o'clock or so.